Okay, here's another good word problem for us to bar model. It's a little harder than the previous three I've done. Peter collected a total of 1,170 stamps. He collected 4 times as many U.S. stamps as foreign stamps. How many U.S. stamps did he collect? And so our first thing as always is to make a statement, and so we would say Peter collected U.S. stamps. Okay, that's right. Peter collected how many U.S. stamps? Okay, and one of the things I notice here is that we're comparing. When we see things like times as many or more than, we know we're comparing. We're comparing U.S. stamps and foreign stamps. So let's give them each a bar model. And at this point, I want you to pause the video, see what you can do to adjust the bar model, put the question mark, and see if you can solve this problem. Then you can check back and see if we've done it the same way. Okay, I hope you've had time to check it. Here's what we should see. The first bit of information I get is that Peter collected a total of 1,170 stamps, and so I'm going to put a bracket out here to show that all of the stamps should add up to be 1,170. Then it says there's 4 times as many U.S. stamps as foreign stamps. So notice I've got a unit of foreign stamps. If it's 4 times as many, that means the number of foreign stamps multiplied by 4 gives me the U.S. stamps. So I'm going to give the U.S. 4 units. And what I know is whatever number goes in the foreign stamps is going to go in all the U.S. stamps, and the U.S. will have 4 times as many. And the question says, how many U.S. stamps did he collect? So the question mark is going to go with the U.S. stamps. Okay, and here's what I notice. All my units are equal. I have 5 units. All together equal 1,170 stamps. And so since there's all equal units, I can go ahead and divide right now. All I've got to do is say 1,170 divided into 5 equal groups, because the 1170 doesn't just go in the U.S., it goes in the U.S. and the foreign. So there's actually 5 units. And when I do that division problem, I get 234. So every unit represents 234 stamps. Okay, which if I want to know the U.S. stamps, that's actually 4 units. So if 1 unit is 234, then what is 4 units? Well, 4 units should be 234, and there's 4 of them, so times 4. And I get 936. So we have that Peter collected 936 U.S. stamps.